friendly with blue cord, and today we're going to be performing some maintenance on Ventrac's most fun attachment, the Tough Cut. This shop is jam-packed with 19 different Ventrac attachments, so we're going to have to take some time and dig this thing out of here. We're going to go ahead, we're going to take these blades off. I'm going to sharpen them, but I may also install a new set. We'll see how they look. You can see this deck is bent up pretty bad, but still does an amazing job. This thing has taken a lot of abuse. I've hit stuff like you wouldn't believe. Now these bolts are 1/2 by 20 by 1 3/4 inches. I doubt you'll find these in the hardware store, and what's more, this one is a reverse thread. So make sure that you have spares on hand, because you are not going to walk into a hardware store and find this. These blades sharpened up pretty nicely. I'll probably put these back on because it breaks my heart. This is what a new set looks like, and I just can't bring myself to take these beautiful, shiny, powder-coated blades on the Tough Cut for a pretty remedial field mowing job that I got coming up here the next day or two. I always keep spare parts for all the attachments in the truck, including new blades for the Tough Cut and new spindles, both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. Now, one other thing I wanted to cover. Ventrac says that the blades are reversible, and that's partially true. If you damage one of these two blades, you can swap one of these two out with the one that rotates the opposite direction. But if you damage this one, you can't switch that one with this one and get a fresh cutting edge. Now that we've greased the spindles, sharpened and balanced the blades, checked for any damage, let's move on, checking the belts and the other grease points. there are 2 belts on this deck. 3 belts if you include the drive belt from the PTO. You have the main belt here, and the secondary belt driving the counterclockwise spindle. Now, if you want to adjust the tension, you can loosen this eye bolt and adjust it accordingly. Now the tensioner for the counterclockwise spindle is right here. Now, I'm not going to go over how to change the belts in this video, but you can see that in this video here. Let's go ahead and finish up with the grease points. In addition to checking for the belt's tension, you want to make sure that it's not excessively worn or cracked. We still have a lot of travel on this bolt, and there's a significant amount of tension on here, so this belt is pretty good. We'll go ahead and put the cover back on. Now we're still not quite done. There's one more thing we have to do, and that's replace these pins for the height that you want the mower to cut. I have my mower set pretty low, so I put mine in the 3rd hole. That's just my preference, but it depends on what I'm doing. Sometimes I want it to cut high, sometimes I want it to cut low. I have these set for the lowest cut possible. This next job coming up for the Tough Cut, I want it to cut low. That really just happened. I dropped the pin, I dropped the clevis. And with my gloves on, it'll be difficult to get in there, but I got a tool for that. These things are awesome. It bends around, has a neodymium high-strength magnet on the end, and has a set of grabbers. This has saved my bacon so many times. Let me show you how this works. But I found it easier just to get that tool rather than take my gloves off and try to fish that thing out of there. Now that we have this thing all back together, I'm going to go ahead, start it up, run it, and make sure that everything sounds and feels like it should. I'm just always impressed with how smoothly the Ventrac attachments run. You pull the PTO switch and you're wondering if you'd forgotten to hook up the PTO belt. It runs so smooth and quiet. The Kubota's purring like a kitten. The Tough Cut is silky smooth. This thing is ready to go. That'll about wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the Tough Cut up close and the general maintenance on Ventrac's most popular attachment. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and that way when we upload new awesome content, not only will you be the first to know, but you'll help other people find this awesome Ventrac channel. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.